What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to schedule WhatsApp messages on your iPhone. Scheduling messages can be incredibly useful for reminders, birthday wishes, or any situation where you want a message to be sent at a specific time. First, make sure you close WhatsApp if it's currently open. Then, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Once in the Shortcuts app, tap on the Automations tab, where we'll create an automation to send a scheduled message. Start by tapping the plus button in the top right corner of the app. Next, choose the time of day option, which is usually at the top of the list. Here, you can specify the exact time you want the message to be sent. After selecting the time, tap Next in the top right corner. Now configure how often the automation should repeat. Options include daily, weekly, or monthly. If you only want the message to be sent once, select any repeat interval, and after the message is sent, you can delete the automation. Once you've chosen the repeat setting, ensure Run Immediately is selected. Then tap Next to proceed. On the next screen, select New Blank Automation. This is where you define what the automation will do. In the search bar, type WhatsApp and select it from the list of apps. Under WhatsApp's available actions, choose Send Message. This will set up the automation to send a WhatsApp message at the specified time. Now, customize your message. Tap on the message field and type the text you want to send. Next, tap on Recipients and select the contact you want to send the message to. You can add one or multiple recipients by searching for their names. Once you've added the recipients, test the automation to ensure it works correctly. Tap the play button at the bottom right corner of the Shortcuts app. This will simulate the automation and send the message immediately. Open WhatsApp to confirm the message was sent as expected. Finally, tap Done in the top right corner to save your automation. The scheduled message will now be sent automatically at the time you set. If you no longer need the automation after the message is sent, return to the Automation section of the Shortcuts app. Swipe left on the automation and tap Delete to remove it. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.